Good morning everyone. Yesterday we learned about the rounding. Okay, and we compared the question number 1 from exercise 1.2. Today in maths class we are going to learn about from 2 to 5. Question number 2 to 5. But for that, this is some basic information about the base and power. Base and power, like here 2 power 5, we learned the square numbers in before classes. I hope you know that, like 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So here this 2 power 5, that means 2 is called base and 5 is called power. Okay, now here is the 100. I can write it 10 multiplied by 10, so this is called what? 10 square. How you get the 10 square? Look at here. When bases are equal, that means when these bases are equal, power should be added with respect to multiplication. Like here power, nothing is what here? 1, not 0. So bases are equal. The down was called bases, these are called bases, right or no? Bases. Then power should be added, power should be added. So here 10 power 1 plus 1, because when bases are equal, power should be added with respect to multiplication. 10 power 1 plus 1 equal to 10 square. So 100 we can add it 10 square. Similarly here 1000, how can I write it? 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So again bases are equal, power should be added. 10 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 10 power 3. That means 1000 can be write it as 10 power 3. Here 10,000 means 10 into multiply by 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Again bases are equal, bases are equal. If 10 here is 9, then we cannot add the powers, should be equal, bases are equal. So 10 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 10 power 4. Like here, look at here, 2 power 3, 2 power 2. Bases are equal or not? When bases are equal, power should be added. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Why I explain this one? Suppose if you want to write any value, suppose value is 1000. So instead of 1000 you can write it 10 cube also, because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So you can write it 10 cube. Okay, if it is 10,000 you can write it 10 power 4 also, that is also correct. Okay, so now coming to the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Is given 107,638 people attended a football match in Madrid. The, this was reported in the program in 100,000 attendance. The club estimate was 110,000 in the crowd. A closer estimate in a newspaper was 108,000. All these estimators were acceptable. However, they are different degrees of accuracy. Degrees of accuracy means like the different rounding off, different rounding off. Okay, that means which place they are rounding off. Understand? So the tens place round off, or 100 place, or 1000 place, or 10,000 place, what they round off. So write down the degrees of accuracy. That means you have to write that which place they are round off. Okay, that means they give the answers, you have to tell them that which place they round off. Okay, now look at your question. The first one is A is 100,000. Why 100,000? He gave the answer is 100,000, right or no? 100,000. So look at the 100,000 place. This is the 100,000 place. If you look at the before number is what? 0. If it is 0, this number never be changed. So 100,000. So the answer is what? 100,000. Now coming to the next question, the answer is given to you 110,000. 110,000 means 110,000 means, if I write the same number here, 107,638. So now I look at the 10,000 place. Look at the 10,000 place here, and before number is what? 7. If it is 7, this number changed to the next number, so 1. So 110,000. That means that's why the answer is 10,000 place. Next one is 107,638. Now here is the thousands place. Why? Look at the thousand place, 7, and before number is 6. This 10 write it as it is. This 10 is there as it is. Now 7 before number is what? 6. That means this 7 changes to 8. So 108,000. Okay, look at one more time here. This is 100,000 place. If you look at the before number is 0, that means this 1 never be changed, right? It's same as it is, remaining all are 0. So 100,000. And here is the 10,000 place. So before number is 7, this 0 changes to 1. So 110,000. And here 1000 place is 7. Before number is 6, this 7 changes to 8. So 8,000. Understand? So you have to write it which place they round out. So the A answer is 100,000. B is 10,000, C is thousands. Okay. Now coming to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Round the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Round the following number nearest thousand. Okay. Question number 3. Try to do it by yourself. Question number 3. Try to do it by yourself. Now I am explaining you question number 4. Round the following numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. You know that yesterday we did lot of questions examples. Like here this is 4. Look at the before number is 8. If it is 8 means 8 is bigger than 5, then this 4 changes to 5. So 500. Now number B is the 100 place is 6, 1000 place write it as it is. So 6 before number is what? 9. So 9 is bigger than 5. This 6 is changes to 700. Okay. Now here the question is 93, but there is no 100 place. Whenever there is no 100 place, you can write it 0, because 093 or 93 both are same. So this is the 100 place. Look at the before number is 9, then this 0 changes to 1, so 100. Now this is 100 place is 7, thousands and 10,000 place write it as it is. Okay. Now 100 place is 7. Look at the before number is 6. Before number is 6. Then this 7 changes to 8. So 800. Now the last question is rounding off to nearest 10. Rounding off to nearest 10. So which is the tens place? 6 is the tens place. Look at the before number. Before number is 3. So if it is 3, this number never be changed because less than 5. So 60. Now this is the tens place is 4. 100 place write it as it is. Now before number 6. 6 is bigger than 5. Then this 4 changes to 5. So 50. And here the tens place is 3. Write it same as it is 58. Okay, tens place is 3. Before number is 9. 9 is bigger than 5. Then this 3 changes to 4. 40. And here is given only 8. 8 only. There is no tens place. So again you can write it 0. Same like this question. So 0. Then 0 is the tens place. Before number is 8. 8 is bigger than 5. Then this 0 changes to 1. So 10. That's the answer. Today you don't have any homework. I hope you understand this class. If you have any more doubts, I will explain in the next class. Thank you.